Hey everybody, we got a box of 2018 Topps Finest here. Derek Jeter on the cover. I think these are one auto per master box, if I'm not mistaken. This one has, 6-pack, 2 mini boxes, 6 packs per mini box, 5 chrome cards per pack. And there's a 10-card Cal Ripken Jr. Finest Career set. I believe those are 2 per case or something like that. So we didn't buy too much of this last year, so we didn't open any on the channel or on Facebook Live last year. So we're gonna do some this year because we did get a bunch more of this. We still have, I want to say, good dozen or so boxes available. So if anyone wants to open one, either on Facebook here or in the shop, then come see us. I think I'll get all the packs out first, and they can see those. See if we get anything cool out of these. Topps Finest, of course, being the perennial kind of upper premium card set back from 1993, obviously. Pretty fun break, I would say. We got a Jose Ramirez, Clayton Kershaw, a Cornerstones insert of Nomar Mazara, Jackie Bradley Jr., Yuli Gurriel, there's an Ohtani rookie. Set that over to the side. Max Scherzer, a refractor, I'm assuming not number, of Andrelton Simmons. Ryan McMahon, rookie. Put the rookies in a separate pile here. Francisco Lindor. Okay, Adrian Beltre. Chris Sale. A sitting red insert of Gary Sanchez. Charlie Blackmon. Anthony Rizzo. This is Stanton. A Cornerstones insert of Freddie Freeman. And then our first auto is a Sean Newcomb refractor. Lucas Sims rookie. Devers rookie. Marcus Stroman. Will Myers. A refractor of Travis Shaw. Noah Syndergaard. And a Yoenis Cespedes. Okay, we got Avisel Garcia. An orange of Odubel Herrera. That one is numbered 11 of 25. First numbered insert, Zach Greinke, Tommy Pham, and Corey Knebel. David Robertson, Odubel Herrera base. Correa Cornerstones insert. Iglesias and Evan Longoria. Freddie Freeman, Bellinger, Robbie Ray refractor, Buster Posey, Alex Bregman, Billy Hamilton, Francisco Mejia rookie, sitting red of Manny Machado, Nicky Delmonico rookie, and a Brian Woodruff rookie. Last 3 packs here. Alex Verdugo, a Cornerstones insert of Justin Bour, and a Miguel Andujar auto numbered to 150. That's a pretty nice one. He's a pretty elaborate autograph. He kind of puts it between like 2 lines. It's kind of interesting. That's a numbered a numbered Andujar auto. Looks pretty decent. A few little scratches on the card itself, but not too bad. Kimbrel and Paul DeJong. Verlander, Keuchel, Chris Davis refractor. Anthony Rendon, and Didi Gregorius. Last Paccarino. Brian Dozier, Rougned Odor, a Finest First rookie, which is like a thicker card, much thicker card actually. If you look, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's definitely a little bit thicker than the other stock. It's Finest First rookie of Rhys Hoskins, and then a purple of Raisel Iglesias, and final card, J.P. Crawford, rookie. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Got them in stock now. If you want to come by and grab a box, or let us know, we can break one for you on Facebook. Thanks a lot.